What up, guys? So I've been using this bot for a while now, for a few days already, and it says here that 1000 WEW is equals to 1 USDT, and to withdraw you need a minimum of about 3000 WEW. All right, that's about $3 in order for you to make withdrawals, and currently I have about 3000 plus on my balance. All right, I have about 2652 stake here, and over here 474 is still available on my balance, not yet staked. So in total it's going to be about 3000 plus. Now in this video we're going to be making withdrawal to be sure that this is really paying, and I will be showing you how I also accumulated all this token for completely free. Guys, I also did it without even having a single referral. All right, so it is completely free, and I'll be showing you the procedures in this video. And before I go any further, I want you to understand that this video has nothing to do with a financial advice. This is strictly an educational video showing you how you can make use of this platform to your own advantage. And if you're interested, you have to pay attention to this video till the end so that you can actually decide if you want to join or not. Alright guys, so to get started you need to use the link in the description of this video. The link is going to be in the description and also probably going to be pinned on the comment section of this video. Click on it and you'll be able to, it's going to take you straight to this Telegram bot. All right, it's a Telegram bot that you can use, and I'll show you what you're going to be doing in order for you to earn with this bot. All right, now if you get into the application to your Telegram, you have to open the application itself. I'm going to open this way, then you can easily sign up. Well, I can't really remember how I signed up, but you can follow the instruction. It's very easy. Then you sign up and create an account quickly. Now once you get to this interface, I'm going to show you two important things you can do every single day in order for you to earn. You have to click on the daily check-in right here, then you'll be able to check in and claim these tokens for free here. And after that, we always give you 2 spin every single day. You can always spin. I've already exhausted mine today, so you can always get 2 spin every single day, and you click to spin and you get some free token added to your balance also. All right, so now apart from that, the next thing you should do is to click on earn WEW right here. Now once you come here, the first thing you should do is to first click on this free section. Then you get this, join this TG channel right here, Telegram sign up. You get here, then you get a free token right here. Then the rest is referral. You have to refer over here, but that's not the point here. I actually did mine without referring anybody. All right, so I'm going to show you that. Click on mission. Now once you get on mission section right here, all you need to do is you can see where it is written open app right here. Mine is on iOS. If you are using Android, you're going to see open app and it will be Android showing right here. All right, so on iOS right now, all you need to do is to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the Play Store, or if you're on iOS, it will take you to the App Store, where you can actually download the Hi5 application. This application is where you're going to be playing games, and these games are going to be giving you some advertisement that you are going to be watching in order for you to get some points right here. So all you have to do is to click on it. I'm going to click on it. I already have the application installed on my phone already, but I'm still going to show you how it is. All right, I'm going to click on open. All right, so it's going to take me to the application, this application. All right, so once you get over here in this application, you can scroll down this way and you're going to see multiple games right here that you can play. All right, these multiple games. Now this is the one I play most of the time. I'm going to click on it right here. I'm going to click on play, and you just let this to load. All right, let it to load. All right, so once you get in, you can notice I'm in level 67. That's because I've been playing the game. Like I said earlier on, this is the game I play most of the time. Now once you get into the game, all you need to do is to move these rings around the boat. All right, and you have to arrange them well till you get it all done perfectly. Then you pass the game, and you are also going to be watching an advertisement after passing the game. Now you can see this boat that is invisible right here, that is not so clear. You know, you need, in order for you to make it visible, you need to click on this button and watch an advertisement just like this. After watching the advertisement, it's going to be visible for you and you can use it to play. Now if you want to undo a move also that you did that you don't like, you have to click on this button and it will undo the move for you. And once you click on it, you also watch an advertisement also, and it's also going to be adding up to your points. I don't know if you understand. Now let me go back to the platform so you understand better. All right, so now pay attention to this section. You can see here we have 3/5 right here. and that is because I've been using the app. I've been playing games earlier on today. All right, so I've played some games. That's why you can see this. So now, in order for him to claim this point, I need to complete like 2 more games and watch like 2 more advertisements in order for him to complete this section and claim the 20 token, which is right here. Now what you need to do is to let's click on refresh. All right, so you can see now our score have increased to 4 over 5. So now if I go back to the application, I play one more game and I was able to watch advertisement again, I'm going to complete 5. Then a claim button will appear right here. I'll click on it and this 20 token will be added to my balance, and so on. You have to do that about 30 times and you'll be able to claim right here. Over here, this one is 10 times and you'll be able to claim right here. All right, so that's just these are the things you need to do in order for you to earn on this application. Now apart from that, if you have accumulated a lot of this token for completely free, all you need to do is to maybe probably stake. Click on stake right here. You can see over here my staking as okay. I have claimable profit right here on my staking, and I'm going to claim that right now. Click here, claim profit, claim these, and claim these. All right, so I just claimed all my, you can see here 0 right now. I've claimed everything and they are all back to my balance. Now in order for me to make this withdrawal, now before I make withdrawal, I want you guys to also check some other thing. Let me go home. Okay, now you can see because of what I withdrew from the profit I claimed from the staking, I have about 510 right here right now. Now before I show you guys how to withdraw, there's another section here that says game, and actually this section I do not participate in it because it's a section that is more risky. You can end up losing all what you've hustled for, all what you've accumulated right here. You can end up losing it on that section, so I don't really go there, but it's left to you guys. If you want to go there, it's left to you. Now quickly, to make withdrawal, click on withdraw right here. You click on withdraw right here, then it says 1000 WEW is 1 USDT and minimum is 3000 USDT to withdraw, and I believe we already have that right now. Before I even withdraw, I have to unstake everything. Now let's go to staking. I'm going to unstake everything. Okay, yes, unstake this, confirm, unstake this too, confirm, unstake this, confirm, and unstake this and confirm. All right, so now let's go back. Very good. Now you can see on my balance I have 3162 W on my balance right here. Now let's go to withdraw. Now withdraw, we're going to withdraw it and test this platform if withdraw is going. Now what we are going to do here in the first place is to, okay, right here saying we should set our password. All right, payment password. Now let's go and set our password. All right, let's go click it. Okay, set. All right, so that was successful. I just did that successful. I'm going to go back again, back to withdraw. Click on withdraw right here. All right, so right here what we need to do is to go to our wallet and copy our USDT address and bring it right here. Now remember, it's on the BNB blockchain, so we'll copy BSC USDT wallet address right here. I'm going to trust wallet. Very good. I'm going to copy my wallet address right here. Copy this. I'm going to go receive, copy, then we'll go to the bots here, then we're going to paste it here, paste the bots, paste this way. I'm going to write the amount I want to withdraw. I'm going to write in here, it said minimum of 3. I'm going to write 3000. Yes, okay. Yes, I'm going to put my pin. I think we need to first add the address. Click on add address. Okay, yes, address has been added successfully. All right, so after adding the address, you can now withdraw. Okay, now I'm going to click on withdraw right here. Click on withdraw. Yes, withdrawal submitted. Check state. Okay, so now withdrawal has been submitted, so I'm supposed to receive 3 USDT in my wallet once this withdrawal is confirmed. So I'm going to wait few seconds or few minutes. I don't know how long this is going to take, but I'm definitely going to show you guys before the end of this video. All right, now while we wait for this to drop in our wallet, let's go back home, go to the home page. All right, so you can see this is all I have on my balance, and instead of me to just leave it there, I think I'll just take it so that it's going to keep generating some extra passive income while I still try to hustle for some more. Okay, gonna click on max, then stake it. Okay, yeah, staked. All right, so guys, that's just how you can use this platform to earn daily by playing games right here. Play games and you can earn with it. Guys, this is completely free, and like I said earlier on, the choice is yours. It's left for you guys to see if you want to do this or not. All right, so I just got this withdrawal completed notification in my bot, so I'm going to open it again to be sure that the withdrawal has been completed successfully. All right, on me right here, then we'll check withdraw records. Okay, now it said success. Now let's check our wallet to see if we've gotten 3 USDT in our wallet. Okay, open this. Very good. Now you can see the 3 USDT. We got the 3 USDT in our wallet, guys. That means this bot is actually working and it's paying. Now guys, one thing you need to understand is this is not where you're going to come and just click a button and you think you earn just like that. Then if you want to earn with this bot, you have to I think spend some time playing the games and watching ads. So I think this is actually for somebody who loves playing game. If you're the type that like playing games, I think this is one of the bots or application you should have on your mobile phone and use it on a daily basis if you are a game person, if you love playing games. Instead of wasting your time playing games that doesn't pay anything, I think this one is worth playing. But guys, not a financial advice. Do your own research, and if you are interested, the link is in the description. Go down there, click on it and join right here. All right, so guys, I will still be bringing you guys more updates on these and how to actually earn some more. Also, if you're on my Telegram channel, you are definitely going to be getting those informations before it gets to YouTube. That's if it gets to YouTube. All right, so guys, that's all for this video. If you like what I showed you, give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.